In this video, I'm going to be looking at the trend in reactivity as you go down group 2 on the periodic table. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. So as you go down, I'm going to be looking at the trend in reactivity. Now, if you actually took a look at the trend in reactivity, you would find that as you go down the group, so down the group, reactivity increases. Reactivity increases. Now, the reason why reactivity increases is because if you actually took a look at the ionization energies of these elements, as you go down the period, in my last video I talked a bit about ionization energy, but if you take a look at the ionization energy, or as you go down the period, you'd find that the ionization energy decreases, especially the first and second ionization energy. Now, this is very significant because the group 2 elements, when they react, what they tend to do is they tend to be oxidized. And if you remember oil rig, oxidation is loss and reduction is gain. And so oxidation is loss of electrons. So what they tend to do when they react is they tend to lose electrons. And ionization energy is the energy required to remove some of those electrons. And so you can imagine if less energy is required to remove some electrons, it's going to be much more reactive, and this is what happens. And so as you go down the period, as the ionization energy decreases, its tendency to be oxidized, its willingness to be oxidized, so to speak, increases, and so its reactivity as a consequence of that increases. And so over the next few videos, I'm going to be talking about some of the consequences of this increased reactivity, and I'm going to be talking about some of the reactions which group 2 elements take part in. So I hope you found this video helpful, and in the next, I've just told you what we'll do in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video.